Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on how I make my RU58841 solution. This is a 5% solution, so for every 1 ml there will be 0.05 grams of RU58841 in it. So 50 ml is what I create, and that uses 2.5 grams of RU58841. What you need for this, it's quite simple. You obviously need your RU58841 powder. You need pretty much pure ethanol, so this is 95% here. You need propylene glycol. You need some beakers, a glass stirring rod, and then just some digital scales to weigh out the powder. So that's pretty close at 2.58. Now I want 35 milliliters of ethanol. Ethanol has a density of 0.785 grams per mil. So if I want 35 milliliters, it's going to be weighing about 28 grams. Once that's done, you can mix the ethanol into the RU58841 powder. And then we get our scale back because we need 15 milliliters of propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is 1.036 grams per mil, so it's pretty much bang on. So 15 grams will be very close to 15 mil. A little bit over. The propylene glycol can now go into the solution. And I now just mix with a glass stirring rod until the RU58841 is completely dissolved. If your RU58841 powder is not dissolving, you can add more ethanol and more propylene glycol in that 70 to 30% ratio until everything is dissolved. Once you're happy that it's all dissolved, it's just simply a matter of pouring it into your glassware to store. And I store it out of light in a nice cool place. And that's it, a 5% 50 milliliter solution of RU58841. And that lasts me about 2 months. And yeah, that's how you make it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.